ever thought about a safe, here is a great example how to install a safe or where to mount it. Here, as you see, there is a picture that I painted a few years ago. As you see, 05. Opale. You open it. There is a truck, as you see, with a small lock system that will hold the picture, that is not gonna move. Nobody will be able to see there is a safe over there. The moment you open that, there is amazing safe. A wall safe is 3 inches deep. As you see, it's open by himself. 3 inches deep. Come with 6 bolts, 3 here and 3 on the other side. It's great for money, passport, if you want to put your gun or anything. You can hide it anywhere you want in the house. You close, press, work exactly as hotel safe. Very nice, smooth, sleek. I'll show you that in close. That's it, it's done. I hope you enjoy.